Hello and welcome. Today we are diving deep into a fascinating topic which is AI optimization. And trust me, this is where the future is headed. Have you ever wondered how AI can differentiate between Apple the fruit and Apple the tech company? Well, that's the magic of entity optimization and it's a game changer. It teaches AI to not just process words but truly understand their context. Pretty cool, right? But wait, we are not stopping there. Let's talk about ChatGPT optimization. This is where things get even more exciting. Imagine AI that's not only smart but also tailor-made for your needs. Whether you are in healthcare, e-commerce, or in education, or in any other field, ChatGPT optimization fine-tunes AI to deliver exactly what you need, where you need it. Over the next few minutes, we will explore what these technologies are, why they matter, and how they are reshaping industries. We will look at how improving contextual understanding leads to more precise and relevant results, saving time and enhancing user experiences. Stick with me, and by the end of this session, you will see why learning about entity and ChatGPT optimization is not only just useful, it's essential for staying ahead in an AI-driven world. Let's get started.
Alright, now that we have got the basics covered, let's switch gears and talk about how these optimizations are making waves in the real world. This is where things get really exciting. So let's dive in. First, let's look at e-commerce. Picture this. You are searching online for an Apple iPhone. You wouldn't want to end up with search results showing recipes for apple pie, right? Thanks to entity optimization, AI understands the difference and ensures you find exactly what you are looking for. It's all about improving accuracy and making life easier for users. Now let's move to healthcare, where precision can literally be a matter of life and death. Imagine an AI assistant that can confidently answer patient queries about symptoms or recommended treatments, all while drawing from a rich database of verified medical knowledge. That's the power of optimized ChatGPT in action. And what about education? Think about a student struggling with algebra or science. An AI tutor, fine-tuned with ChatGPT optimization, can provide personalized study plans, explain complex concepts in plain language, and even offer interactive learning experiences. It's like having a 24/7 tutor right at your fingertips. These are just a few examples, but they show how these technologies are transforming industries. Whether it's improving efficiency, enhancing customer satisfaction, or delivering spot-on results, the possibilities are endless. Stick around because we are about to explore how you can leverage these innovations for your own success.
Let's talk about now how you can take advantage of AI optimization to achieve your goals. This is where things get really practical, and I am here to guide you every step of the way. For business owners, let's imagine this. You want to provide top-notch customer support without breaking the bank. By optimizing ChatGPT, you can create AI assistant that handles customer inquiries, resolves complaints, and even makes product recommendations all seamlessly. How amazing would that be for your customer satisfaction rates? Developers, I have got something for you too. With entity optimization, you can design AI systems that are context-aware and reliable, making them indispensable tools in any application. Want your AI to know the difference between a Java developer and a Java coffee enthusiast? And for data scientists, optimizing AI is not just about better algorithms. It's about creating smarter, more intuitive systems that adapt to specific industry needs. This means you can align your AI models with your unique challenges of your field, whether it's finance, logistics, or beyond. As we wrap up, I will share a few tips to get you started. First, always focus on context. Teach your AI to understand the nuances of your industry. Second, don't be afraid to customize. A one-size-fits-all approach would not cut. And finally, remember that AI is a strategic asset, not just a tool. It has the power to transform your workforce, customer experiences, and even your bottom line. So are you ready to take the next step? Let's harness the power of AI optimization together and turn these tools into a biggest competitive advantage. Your optimized future starts right here, right now.